This is the iPhone 14 Plus, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can download and install the Google Chrome browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the network, should it be Wi-Fi or cellular. Then launch the App Store. At the search bar type in, either Google Chrome or Chrome for short. Then over here you'll be able to find this little get button. In my case it is this little cloud with the arrow pointing down due to the Google Chrome, due to me installing it previously on this account. So whether you have the same icon as I do or the get button, just tap on it and wait until the Google Chrome gets downloaded and installed. After that, you can launch it and tap on this blue accept and continue button. Choose whether you would like for the synchronization option to be activated. I'll skip it. Then in this step you can also set Google Chrome to be your default browser app. I'll skip this step as well. And after you have underwent the simple setup procedure, you can start using the Google Chrome. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.